Right, boys, I got this old Deus too out here. Now, this is the 11-inch coil, okay? A little 3D iron test here with a clad dime. You see that nail there, and you see that one there, okay? Fast program. You don't hear anything. Now, I got the iron volume off, but you don't hear anything, do you? Hear that? You don't hear anything. I was sweeping over that right there. You don't hear anything? You would definitely dig, okay? I'm going to put this old dime in here. See it right there? Now, that other nail's right there now. Alright, right now I'm at reactivity 1, and I've got a notch on this baby run to 84. You hear that? Repetitive signal, okay? I've got mono program over here set at 17 kilohertz. I'll let you just see. I'll change the reactivity on it. It's currently at 0.5. We'll put it at 1. You hear that? What do you hear? Do you hear equal signal with that 17 kilohertz? No. Now, I'm going to move this coil around a little bit. Alright? That was mono program at 17 kilohertz. We'll change the frequency on it. Back to fast program, reactivity 1. Auto scan, I don't think it's on. Listen. You hear that? Now, the pitch tones is not maxed out. I mean, pitch tones. Alright, let me turn this camera off. I got a card coming here. Alright, camera back on. Still pitch tones fast program, reactivity 1. You get to hear that. Deus mono program. You see it there, 17 kilohertz. No tricks in this video. We just don't hear equivalent signal. We hear a little racket, okay? Every now and then, okay? Now, we're going to go in here. We're going to change the frequency on this baby. Okay, we're at 13 kilohertz right now. 13.0. Let's see what happens. We do not get equivalent signal we get in the fast program. It ain't even close. You see that? I'm sweeping that coil. I'm all over that styrofoam there. That's a 3D test, boys. And I'm pretty good height above this dime here, okay? You could see something like that in the wild. Okay, back to the old fast program. Alright, I'm going to check the reactivity. Still at 1. You hear that? Repetitive signal. Now I'm going to go in here and we're going to back the reactivity off. 0.5. Let's see what happens. Fast program. So you got to watch your sweep speed, okay? You're probably not as forgiving a sweep speed, but you probably get a better signal when you slow down. Alright, back to mono program. We're at 13 kilohertz. We're at 95 sensitivity. Machine is quiet as a mouse. We're going to drop the reactivity to 0.5. Let's see what happens. Okay, we never get equivalent signal. Not ever, okay? We're going back to frequency. And I'm going to go back to 17 kilohertz or thereabouts. 16.5 kilohertz. Let's see what we get. Reactivity now is at 0.5. Slow sweep. You hear anything? Alright. Back to fast program. 0.5 reactivity. I'm going to increase it, but I'm going to listen first at 0.5 reactivity. You see that meter in there? 85 in the meter. That's a clad dime. 87 at times, 85. And I'm going to push the reactivity. Let's just go to 1.5 and see what happens. That's 1.5 reactivity with a repetitive signal. 86 in the meter. 88. Okay. So, you know, so multi-frequency on this machine, you know, now this is the 11-inch coil on this scenario here, comparing what you've seen in this video. And I'll give you a closer look there. You see that nail there above it, and then you see that nail there sort of sticking about 45 degrees away from it, a little short nail, and I'm up here sweeping the coil, okay? Very realistic test. It does show the strength of this multi-frequency versus the single frequency. Now remember, I'm running an 84 notch in both of these programs, okay? That could impede the single frequency as well. I might have got a signal. I'm not going to show you in the video here because it'd get too long. If I let the notch down, I might have got a better signal on that. But what are you going to do when you let the notch down on this machine? Start letting the notch down, you're going to be digging all that junk. Okay? I hope you enjoyed.